Hey guys, and welcome to day 19 of the 40 days of pours. Here is yesterday's dried result. It's still kind of drying in the middle, but as you can see, the colors on the outside kind of dried a little darker, but I still really like it almost looks like oil slick to me. So I think that's really cool. And today what we're going to do is the dip technique, and this is also something I've never done before. So we'll see how this goes for my first time. And I'm just gonna do it on top of this cardboard box. Make sure it's wide enough. I'm just worried about it being even, but I have a card as well. So what I'm going to do is mark the canvas. And then we're just gonna fill this in real quick. And then most of the videos that I watched were by Designs by Gemma, where she does these floral designs. So I'm gonna do something kind of like that. She just does like stuff like this. And there's it. So that was primary red. This is quinacridone magenta. Like green permanent. And then turquoise blue. I'm going to put a layer of white on my canvas real quick. Okay, and once you have that covered, you're just going to try to line it up. And dip. And then she uses a card to actually and then just lift directly upwards, slowly. And there you have your masterpiece. I think that's so cool. That's awesome. I love these colors. Anyway, you did so good picking these colors out, buddy. Nehemiah was our helper again today. And look at that. That's so beautiful. I wish I had done it on plastic so I could save it as a perfect little skin. But this is so cool, you guys. I'll move that out of the way. And then I'm gonna torch this real quick. Okay, and I am going to bring you guys in for your close-up real quick. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I love these colors. Nehemiah, you did such a good job. And I love the floral design of it. I actually think it's so cool that you have this and then you have that one as well. It looks so cool. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.